Welcome to one and all. In this section, we have to discuss the surface area of a right circular cone. First, you observe a right circular cone. What are the parts of a cone? Vertex, height, slant height, and the radius. Usually, the height, radius, and slant height it is denoted by H, R, and L. If you cut a cone, you will get a sector and a circle. So, the surface area of a cone is the sum of the sector area and circle area. So, the curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL and the base area of the cone is equal to pi r square. Therefore, the total surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL plus pi r square. There is a relation between L, H and R, that is slant height, height and the radius. That is L square is equal to H square plus R square. Okay. Next we can discuss with the exercise 13.3 questions. First one, diameter of the base of cone is 10.5 cm and its slant height is 10 cm. Find its curved surface area. Here diameter is given. Diameter is equal to D is equal to 10.5 centimeter. So what will be the radius? Radius meaning half of the diameter. So 5.25 centimeter. And next slant height is given. Slant height meaning L. L is equal to what is that? 10 centimeter. And here in this question you have to calculate what is the curved surface area of the cone. So first you write the formula. What is the formula? CSA is equal to pi RL. Okay, after that you substitute the value. Pi value 22 by 7 into radius 5.25 into L 10. Okay, next we can cancel 5.25 and 7. In 7 one time, in 5 it is 2, in 0, in 52 7 and remaining 3 and 5 it become 35. In 35 it is 5. So what is the final answer? 22 into 0.75 into 10. You will get 165 and the unit is centimeter square. So this is the final answer. Okay. Second question. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. In this question, the total surface area you have to calculate. Total surface area of the cone you have to calculate. For this, slant height is given. Slant height L, what is that? 21 meter. And the diameter is given. Diameter is 24 meter. So, what will be the radius? Radius equal to half of that 12 meter. Okay. And we know what is the formula of TSA of the cone. TSA is equal to pi RL plus pi r square. See, in both term you can take pi r outside. So the calculation will be easy. So if you take pi r outside, so what is remaining? L plus r. Okay. So substitute the value 22 by 7 into r, that is 12, into L plus r. What is L? 21 plus 12. So you will get 22 by 7 into 12 into 33. Okay. And if you multiply, you will get 8712 by 7 meter square. Okay. So this is the final answer. 8712 divided by 7 meter square. Moving to a third question. The curved surface area of cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find two questions are there. The first question, radius of the base. And second question, total surface area of the cone. Here, the curved surface area of the cone it is given. That meaning pi RL it is given that 308. And also it is given that L is equal to, what is that, 14 centimeter. Okay, what is, you have to find out the base radius. Okay, first you can substitute the value of pi, 22 by 7, and the radius it is not given. L 14 is equal to 308. Okay, 7 and 14 we can cancel. So it become 22 into 2, it's 44. 44R is equal to 308. Therefore, R is equal to 308 divided by 44. What is the answer? It is equal to 7 centimeter. So the first question is over. The base radius of the cone is equal to 7 centimeter. And one more question, it is the total surface area of the cone. Okay, we know that the total surface area of the cone is equal to CSA plus the base area. Okay, actually it is given CSA, it is given in the question itself. That meaning 308 plus pi r square. That part you have to calculate. Pi value 22 by 7. Radius already you know what is that? It is 7. So 7 into 7. So 7 and 7 we can cancel. So the remaining 308 plus, if you multiply 22 into 7, you will get 154. So what is the final answer? 462, and the unit is centimeter square. Okay. Now fourth question. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find, again two questions are there. First one, slant height of the tent. And second question, the cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. In this question, the height is given. What is that? H is equal to 10 meter and R is equal to 24 meter. And what is, you have to calculate the slant height. We have a relation between L, H and R. What is that? L square is equal to H square plus R square. So using that relation, L square is equal to 10 square. What is 10 square? 100 plus R. R is 24. 24 square, what is that? It is 576. So 100 plus 576 you will get 676. So this is L square. L square equal to 676. So what is L? L is equal to root of 676. That is equal to 26 meter. So this is the slant height. That is our first question. And if you moving to the second question, cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost is 1 meter square. If the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Next you have to calculate what is that cost. Before calculating the cost, you should find out the CSA, isn't it? Area, how much area it is required, you should find out at first. So cost equal to what is that? CSA. That meaning you will get the required area into, and for 1 meter square what is the cost? It is 70. So how to calculate cost? CSA into 70. CSA meaning what is that? Pi RL into 70. So we know what is the value of pi. What is that? 22 by 7. Radius, it is given that in the question 24. L, now we calculated L. What is that? It is 26 into 70. And 7 and 70 we can cancel. So it becomes 10. So if you multiply the remaining numbers, you will get rupees 22 into 24 into 26 into 10. You will get this much amount. Okay, 1,37,280. Okay. Fifth question. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. It is given that you should use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. See, in this question we have to make a tent using a tarpaulin cloth. Okay. And here the height of the conical tent it is given that 8 meter and the radius it is given that 6 meter. Okay. So first you should find out how much area is required for making the tent. Okay. What is the meaning? That means you should calculate what is the CSA of the cone. What is the CSA of the cone? It is pi RL. Pi is given, no, R it is given but L. So at first you should find out L using that formula. L square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. That meaning 64 plus 36 it is 100. So L equal to what is the root of 100? It is 10. So L equal to 10 meter. So first you calculate how much area is required for making the tent. That is, you have to calculate the curved surface area of the cone. And it is given that you should use the value of pi as 3.14, R is 6, L it is 10. And if you multiply, you will get 188.4 meter. Therefore, the CSA of the conical tent will be equal to the area of tarpaulin cloth. Area of tarpaulin cloth meaning L into B. And that is 188.4 is equal to length it is not given, L into the width of the tarpaulin cloth it is given that it is 3. So what is it? L is equal to 188.4 divided by 3. So you will get 62.8 meter. But in the question it is given that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Therefore, the total length, what is that? The extra 20 centimeter is needed for stitching, margin and wastage. So the total length, what is that? You should add that 20 centimeter also to this. So 62.8 plus 20 centimeter meaning if you convert into meter it becomes 0.20 meter. So what is the total length? It is equal to 63 meter. So this is the answer. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. In this question, the slant height and the base diameter of the conical tomb are, it is given. Slant height L. L is equal to 25 meter. And the diameter is given. Diameter equal to 14 meter. So what is the radius? Radius equal to 7 meter. And what is you have to find out? Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface. Okay. So first you calculate its curved surface area. What is the formula? CSA is equal to pi RL. Okay. So 22 by 7. Radius is 7. L 25. So 7 we can cancel. So remaining 22 into 25 you will get 550 and what is the unit? Meter square. Okay. So CSA you know what is that? 550 meter square. And then next you have to calculate the cost. But it is given that for 100 meter square, the cost is 210. So what is for 1 meter square? For 1 meter square what will be the cost? 210 by 100. That much amount is required. And in this case what is the cost? What is our area of 550 meter square? So what will be the cost? 550 into what is the amount for 1 meter square? 210 by 100. Okay. 0 cancel. So what is the final answer? 55 into 21. You will get rupees 1155.